Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 1500 amp 9 volt water cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. The unit is wired for 460 volt 3-phase, is in very good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. Overall dimensions 33 inches long by 28 inches wide by 44 inches high. It is remote controlled with digital meters on the remote. We'll take a look at that here now. And to turn it on, you hit the start button. This is a filtered unit. Take a look at the O-scope wave here. Very nice, quiet machine. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.